To insert a SIM card in Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, we need to grab our device and then look on the bottom side right here so that we can find the SIM tray. Let the camera focus so that you can actually see it. Then grab something like SIM ejection tool and put it in the gap right here. Now push on it and the slot is released. Now we can just remove it with our fingernails, and here it is. Now grab your SIM card. It needs to be a nano SIM card to fit in, and then we can just put it like that. Make sure it's fully in so it doesn't come out in if you look on it sideways. For me it just fell out, so let's try it again. And then now we need to grab that SIM tray and put it back in our device. Make sure to fully close it in, and then our SIM card will be inserted. All you have to do next is to just unlock your device and enter a PIN for that card. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.